the first three topics as well as the last three topics, and in fact, yes, first three topics and the last three topics of maths too. So six topics I'll be done with. This is assignment and sequencing. After this topic, I'll be left with only index numbers and time series. Here, four new machines, M1, M2, M3, M4 are to be installed in a machine shop. These are the machines. They are to be installed in a machine shop. There are 5 vacant places where you cannot, there are 5 vacant places. Out of that, due to limited space, machine M2 cannot be placed at C and machine M3 cannot be placed at A. Now, luckily, they have marked the hyphen over there so that you don't end up considering those values. Sometimes they won't give you a hyphen over there, so you'll have to put a dash over there. Now, first of all, A, B, C, D, and E. This is M1, M2, M3, and M4. There are 4 rows, 5 columns, so it is unbalanced. Next, some of the elements are prohibited, so it is unbalanced and prohibited also. Now, these are 4, 6, 10, 5, and 6, 7, 4. This is infinity. I'll mark this with infinity. This is 5, 4. This is infinity. 6, 9, 6, 2, 9, 3, 7, 2, and 3. Now, here, replace the prohibited elements with infinity. Replace the prohibited element with infinity such that where infinity is such a large number that infinity minus or plus any number would be equal to minus infinity itself. Similarly, consider adding one dummy row, that is M5. This is a dummy row where each element is 0. So add a dummy row such that each element is 0. Next, now here, step 1. This is the step. This is step 1. Step 2 would be first of all, this is machine shop, installed 5 vacant places, limited space, cost is there. This is cost, so we need to minimize it. When you need to minimize it, first step, row minimization. In case of maximization, the first step is different. What is row minimization? You need to write here in one sentence that we have to subtract each and every element of every row. We have to subtract the minimum value of each row from other elements of the row. So here, A, B, you have to write it in words. Remember that. Just write one sentence that each and every the minimum element has to be subtracted from each and every element of the rows. So here 4 is the minimum element, here 4 is the minimum element, 2 is the minimum element, then 2 is the minimum element, and 0 is the other minimum element. Now I want at least 1 or 2 children to point out my mistake in case I make any calculation mistake, because it would be too tedious for me to get it back. Other children, I'm not expecting them to answer. At least some children take some initiative and let me know if I'm going wrong in the calculation. 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0, infinity, 1 and 0. This would be infinity. This is 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 2 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Here, this is 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and this would be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, column minimization, the matrix remains unaltered because here each column has a 0. So, in column minimization, the matrix remains unaltered. So, step 3, column minimization, and right here, matrix remains unaltered. Now, next one. Here, step 4. Would be to draw minimum number of lines to cover all zeros. Draw minimum number of lines to cover all zeros. Even though I have written it over here, I'll show it over here in the calculation. So if I draw one line vertically everywhere, I'll get 5 lines, but this is 1. I'll cover maximum zeros under one line. Then this is 2. I think all 5 lines are required. There's no other way we can do it. So there are 5 lines required. So we'll have to say here minimum number of lines required is equal to the number of rows. So we'll have to say here minimum number of lines equal to number of rows, and therefore step 5 would be assignment, that is job allocation. Now how do we allocate the jobs? Here 0, this is 2, 6, 1 and 2. This is 3, 0, infinity, 1 and 0. This is infinity, 4, 7, 4 and 0. This is 7, 1, 5, 0 and 1. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, if you observe here, select that row or column which has one single 0. I'll select that row or column which has one single 0. I have the first row where there is one single 0. The moment I select this, I'll cancel all zeros in that row and column. So this gets cancelled. Now I have 1 0 in this particular row. So this gets cancelled. Now next I have 1 0 in this particular row. So these two get cancelled. Then I have 1 0 here. I'm left with 1 0 over here. This is the uh, element for M2. This gets cancelled. This one gets selected. So here, machine M1 has to be moved. This is machine M1. It has to be moved to place A. Machine M2 has to be moved to place B. Machine M3 has to be moved to place E. Machine M4 has to be moved to place D. Machine M5 has to be moved to place C. Now the cost involved for A, it would be 4 rupees. 4. B is 4 units. E is 4 units. Sorry, 2 units. Machine 3 and E. Machine 4 and D would be 6 units, and machine this would be 0. Now that means this place is not allotted any job. So here any machine. So machine place C remains vacant. Place C remains vacant because this is a dummy machine. Place C remains vacant. Now total would be 8 to 10 and 6, 16. So it is 16 units in total.
So behind the answer is 12.
Well,
Instead of M4 of 6, they have written it as 2.
M4 and
Cost
D.
6 instead of that 2.
Remaining they have written the same.
Yes, sir.
So that means they have gone wrong in the calculation. Okay. So this is the answer, 16 units.
So even I got 12.
What?
Even
Couldn't hear
I
you.
got 12.
You got 12.
That element is 2.
It is 2
Sir, that
only.
element is 2. 6 is 2. M4.
Okay. 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 M4 and D. Then where did I get this one? Okay. M4 is, this is 2, 4, 4, 8 to 10, 9 to 12. Okay. So this is the first one. Hopefully I should be done with all the topics maximum by Sunday and ideally by Saturday. Question 2. In this problem, they've asked us to maximize. Now, this is also an unbalanced problem, but it is a maximization problem. When you have a maximization problem, the first step is different. Remaining all are same, maximization problem. Unbalanced, so we add a 0 over here. This is maximization, unbalanced. So I add 0, a dummy row with all elements as 0. First step would be what? You find the maximum value of the table. The maximum value of the table is 19. You subtract all the values from that 19. And then the remaining steps remain the same. So subtract every element from 19. Yeah. Now 19 minus 11 is 8. 19 minus 16 is 3. 19 minus 18 is 1. 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15. 19 minus 7 is 12. 19 minus 19 is 0. 19 minus 11 is 8. 19 minus 13 is 6. 19 minus 17 is 2. 19 minus 9 is 10. 19 minus 6 is 13. 19 minus 14 is 5. 19 minus 14 is 5. 19 minus 7 is 12. 19 minus 13 is 6. 19 minus 12 is 7. 19 minus 17 is 2, 19 minus 11 is 8, 19 minus 13 is 6, 19, 19, 19, and so on. Our next step would be, this is step 2. Step 1 is adding 0, step 2 is this, step 3 is row minimization. So this is the minimum here, 5. If I'm going wrong, someone please point it out. Now step 3, row minimization. I'm doing it too fast, so in this hurry, maybe I miss out on some numbers. So let me know, at least someone. Remember, it is going to kill your time if I make a mistake here in calculation. Yeah. 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3. This is 12, 0, 8, 6, 2. 10 minus 5 is 5, 13 minus 5 is 8, 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 and 7. 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. All this would become 0. Now, when I consider column minimization, all the columns have a 0. So after column minimization, the matrix remains unaltered. Step 4, column minimization. Matrix remains unaltered. Now here, next step would be to draw minimum number of lines. I am doing it over here. What would be the answer when you draw minimum number of lines here? How many lines are what?
Be covered whole.
Or all you'll need 5 lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do you need 5 lines? So here we'll say that minimum number of rows equal to minimum number of lines. And therefore we can allot in the next step. So here A, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A, B, C, D and E. This would be 7, 2, 0, 3 and 3. This would be 12, 5, 4, 0. This would be 0, 8, 5, 0. This would be 8, 000. This is 6, 0, 6, 0. This would be 2, 7, 4, 0.
So
Yeah,
the matrix can be covered with 4 lines.
4 lines.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, 3 in the 2, 3 and 4 and the last line will be 1.
1 second. 2,
1,
3.
4 and the last line row.
Oh, yes. Yes. So in that case, since minimum number of lines, minimum number of rows is greater than minimum number of lines, therefore we'll have to consider the minimum value of the ones which are not covered by the lines. The red ones are not considered to be the lines here. In fact, even here you would have realized you would not have been able to allocate if you would have tried with it. Did anyone try allocating it? So yeah, now out of these uncovered elements, we select the smallest element. Our aim is to add zeros. We select the smallest element and subtract all the uncovered elements from it. So this would become 7 minus 2, 5. This would become 3 minus 2, 1. This would be 0. 7 minus 2 would be 5 and 4 minus 2 would be 2. Then here, this would be 12 minus 2 is 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. And here, this is 2. This is also 2 and this is also 2. Add this element to the intersection elements. Now, how many lines do we need to cover this? Step 6, subtract the uncovered elements from the minimum value and then add that minimum value to the intersection elements. Now how many lines do you need? Subtract minimum value of uncovered element to all the other uncovered elements and add it to the intersection elements. How many lines do you need now? Anyone? Can we manage it with lesser number of lines?
Yes, sir. 4 lines.
Again, 4 lines.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me which are those lines. The 1,
The last one
2, 3, 4.
and the
No, 1.
Third column, fourth column, B
Yes.
column, and E column.
1,
E,
2.
3, 4, and E.
Okay, 1, 2, 4, and E. Again, we'll have to consider the smallest element here. The smallest element is 1 here. So we'll have to subtract that from the uncovered elements. And we'll have to keep repeating it till the number of lines is equal to number of rows. The best part is I'm expecting the same questions for you in the board with the same numbers. 4, this is 1, uncover, this is covered, 0, this would be 10, 0, 8, this would be 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 1, 7, 0. Then this would be 3 minus 1, 2. This would be, 3 minus 1, 2, 8 minus 1, 7, 0, 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 0, 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. This would be 0, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is 0. Next. How many lines? I think now 5 lines would be required. Yeah. Now minimum number of now minimum number of lines equal to number of rows. So what we'll do is we'll first consider those rows or column which have only 1 0. 1 0 here, this gets cancelled. Another then 1 0 here, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. 1 0 here, then nothing to be cancelled. 1 0 here, this gets cancelled. Yes, that means minimum number of lines is equal to minimum number of rows. Your A would get the fifth one, B would get the second one, C would get the fourth one, D would get the third one, E would get the first one. A and 5 would be 15, B and 2 would be 19, C and 4 would be 14, D and 3 would be 17, E and 1 would be 0. This would be 15 plus 19, 34, 48, 65. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What does A represent? What does 1 represent? Solve the following assignment problem. This is salesman and this is territories. And here, this would be, this is territories and this would be the sales amount. Maximum sales is 65 units. You can try other combinations by adding up any random figures and checking whether someone else, somewhere else also you can get the same. Now, the first territory is not allotted to any salesman. First territory is not allotted. question 3. Now remember, one question of minima maxima and one question of assignment or one question of uh, sequencing is sure for your board exam. Now both the questions are sure, but it may be asked for 4 plus 2 or 4 plus 4, 8 marks. So it would be either 4 plus 2 or it would be 4 plus 4. So if you know 8 sums of this topic, you can be sure of scoring at least 6 marks in this particular topic. And for that, you need to do hardly 9 or 10 sums. This would be 6, 6, 3 and 7, 8, 5, 3, 4 and 5, 10, 4, 6, 4, 8, 3, 7, 8 and 3, 7, 6, 8, 10 and 2. Consider the problem of assigning 5 operators to 5 machines. The assignment costs are given in the following table. Yeah, assignment cost. So we have to minimize that. Now, infinity over here, since it is prohibited. Now, step 2, infinity is such a large number that infinity plus or minus any number would be equal to infinity itself. Now, the smallest element, first step would be row minimization. Smallest element 3 here, 4 here, 3 here, 2 here. When I subtract 6 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, here infinity, 3 minus 3 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, infinity, 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 10 minus 2 is 8, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, column minimization. First column 3, second one 0, 0, 0. So this would be 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. This is 3, 2, 0, 0, 4. This would be infinity 0, 2, 4, 6. This would be 0, 1, infinity 5 and 8. This would be 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now,
So 42000. Last column.
4. Oh my God. Yeah, it is 4, 2, 000. Next one, after column minimization, we have to see how many lines are required to cover all zeros. So how many lines are required to cover all zeros?
You can do in 4.
4. So step 4, minimum number of lines equal to is less than less than number of rows. So here, which are those lines?
2, 3, 5 and A.
2, 3, 5 and A. Now, what is the minimum element lying outside? It is 1. 1 has to be subtracted from the remaining elements. Step 5 would be your 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This would be A, B, C, D, and E. Now, this would be 0, this would be 4, this would be infinity, this would be 0, and this would be 5. This would be 2 minus 1, 1. This would be 2, 0, 0, 4. This would be 2, 0, 0, and 0. 1, this would be 0, 2, 4, and 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is infinity. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 8 minus 1 is 7. Now, here again, how many lines are required now? I'll try allocating here. This is 0. This would get cancelled. Then any other row where there's one single 0, this is 0. These two would get cancelled. This is no. It can be done in lesser number of lines. How? What are those lines which can be drawn here? 1,
A, B, 2 and 5.
A, B,
2 and 5.
5. Yes. Now the minimum element is 1. So your minimum number of lines is less than number of rows. Step 6 would be 1, 2, 3. This is A, B, C, D, and E. Now here this is 0, this is 5, infinity, 0, and 6. This is 1, this is 3, 0, 0, and 3. This is 0, 0, and 4. This is 000. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. This is infinity. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now how many lines are required? Anyway, I'll start allocating it. I'll see if it is possible to allocate it any row or column. Yeah, this one is. So cancel this. Then any other row or column. Yeah, this one is 1, 0. So cancel this. Now you have 2 zeros in each column. So you can select randomly. I'll do one thing. I'll select this. So this gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. Now this gets cancelled. So you are left with this to be selected. This gets cancelled. Yeah, this is the selection. So A gets 4. B gets 3. C gets 2. D gets 1. And E gets 5. A and 4 as a value of 3, B and 3 as a value of 3, C and 2 as a value of 4, D and 1 as a value of 8, E and 5 as a value of 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, 18, 20. Is it correct?
So 19 is the answer.
A and 4 is 3. Just see what is the value given. What have they given? Have they selected some other option?
So 3, 3, 4, 3, 6.
Whichever option you select, you should get the same answer. 4, 8 and fifth one is 2. B and 3 is 3. What have they selected, you said? First one,
3,
3.
3,
The next one also 3.
4.
4. 4. Have they selected C fifth one or C second one?
So C as the third one.
No, C.
So they have given 2 answers,
Okay.
and both the answers total is 19
It
rupees.
has to be, man. Like we have made some calculation mistake, but what is the mistake that we have made? I'm trying to figure that out. So 3, 3. What did you say?
So first answer given is 3, 3, 4, 3, 6.
After you select 4 and 3, you cannot.
Sir, we take C4 and D3, then we get that 6. No.
Wait.
Then also
You won't get.
Sir, the answer is 20. It is a textual problem.
Yeah, acha, it is a textual problem. Yeah, because here, if you select this, you are left with only this option. That would also make it 20. Even if you select this and this, then also you are left with only this option. So it should have been 20 itself. Followed? So the minimum assignment cost is 20. So with this, I put an end to today's lecture. If you have any doubts, stay back in the conference. Others can leave. Have a nice day, everyone. If you have any doubts, stay back in the conference.